Hello friends, welcome to Unity3d teacher tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see about DoTween states. So DoTween has lot of states, so we are going to discuss what are the uses of the states. So let's see. So we have notepad. So we are going to see the following states: play, pause, and then restart, and then rewind, and then kill. Okay, so these are the 5 types of states we are going to see while we are using a DoTween. For example, you are moving a particular system, you like to do some states like start, stop, something like that. So this feature will help to do that. So let's see how to do that. So let me create a sample scene, save scene, and then DoTween states. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one game object. Okay, so cube. So let's create a script. So let's name it as states. Okay, so script states. Okay, so next what we are going to do, I'm just going to drag and drop the states to camera. So this is a common place like a game controller, you can say. So let's add a namespace dg feeding, and then public game object target, or whatever the name you like to give. So what we are going to do, by basically we are going to move. So let's drag and drop. So I like to move here, target dot transform dot do move. Okay, and then new vector 3. So I'll try to move maybe 10 space. Why is it I'm not going to do anything, and the duration will be 2, so that it will be little bit slow. Maybe let's have 3. So let's see what happens. So it's try to move to the given position. Okay, so it's moving till 10. Okay, so we go over the editor. So it should be +6, maybe we'll do like that. Till 6 it will move. Perfect. So it stopped at 6. So next, while moving, I'm going to pause the cube in between this position visually. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So let's create one button to stop the particular object. So I'm going to create one button, canvas UI button. Okay, so this button is going to call one function called public void pass. Okay, so in order to pause a game object, I mean pause a particular moving object, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make one stream system, stream t test or memory tween. So this tweener, it's going to contain this sequence of a particular animation. So get the tweener and pass it. So we are going to call the button. So script is present in main camera. I'm going to call the states pass. Sorry. Okay. So let me make button a little bit big. Okay. So we are going to pause at the middle of the time. Okay. So in this way you can able to pause a particular game object. So without doing any type of transform speed or zero something like that, you don't want to do anything in a short line of your code, you can able to do. Normally what you do in transform.translate, we'll just move and then we'll just stop the speed, or similarly what we do instead of that, DoTween will help to reduce the coding system, so it will be a great thing. So let's see some other thing. So we have seen pause. So next we see how to use play. Play is nothing but, let's use vice versa. So at the beginning it should be pause, so play. So while we playing some games, some sort of systems, we can have pause and play. So in this system you can able to achieve this kind of thing. So I'm going to have like, so since we rename the function, you want to again call it in button. So it's paused at the beginning, it's not moving anything, there is no movement function. So as soon as player hit the button, it will move. So that's it, and it stopped at the destination of 6. So we have seen and play and pause. Next we see what is the use of restart. Okay, so let's create one more function called public void restart. So instead of play, tweener should call restart. Okay, so we are going to call in the button restart. Okay, so while playing at the middle of that time, I'm sorry, I tried to remove pass, we no need pass. So at the middle of that time, what we are going to do, we are going to click this. Can you able to see that? So you can able to restart the particular sequence whenever it is in action. You can able to do that. So if it is end, it won't do, it won't move. So you want to make sure if it is action, it will work. See, so it is in action, I am just restarting. It is in action, I am just resetting. So after its end, actually it's reached a destination. So if I press restart, it won't do because it finished the sequence, so you can't able to restart again. So make sure, so you want to understand what is the difference between the, normally while doing a sequence you can able to do a restart. So this is the restart state. And then next we are going to see rewind. Rewind is nothing but, so let me create one more function, public void rewind. Tweener dot rewind. Okay, so I'm going to call the rewind over here. So as soon as the movement is done, it will reach the destination. Actually you want to bring back this to this position. Okay, so that's why the rewind system will work. So it will bring back to the original position. So make sure that everything is in sequence time. So it will bring back and pause it in the position where you started. So let's see the what is the basics position 6.79. okay, it should come over the position. Rewind. Yeah, now you can able to see the position is not changed, not even single point. It will bring back to the exact position where you will try to get the player. So this is the syntax for rewind. So next we see kill process. Kill is nothing but similar to pass. It will kill the passes. So public void kill. So instead of in the button, instead of that rewind, I'm going to call kill. Okay, kill is nothing but similar to pass. See, it will stop at the position where you are trying to kill the player. There's nothing but stopping that tween. Whatever tween happened, it will stop. That is the syntax of this kill process, kill state. So even if you have to one more game object, it will react same kind of thing. Target to similar kind of thing. Target to dot transfer. So target 1 and target 2 going to be hold in tweener. So let's see what happened. So I'll try to create one more cube. Okay, this should be cube 2, this should be cube 2, and this should be cube 1. Okay, so go over here and drag the cube 2, and I'll try to change the position of cube 2 so that you can understand what's going on. Okay, I will have it there. So let's play. So both is moving. I try to kill, it has killing. If you see the problem, only one tweener will be achieved using this. That is the big problem. If you like to make one more kill, you can able to do. And there is one more system called okay, we will see on upcoming videos. I don't like to confuse. So you can have one more tweener also and then assign to it. Tweener 2 should be here, and then that tweener 2 dot kill. So multiple objects also you can able to achieve using a multiple tweener system. So that's what I am trying to say. So in upcoming videos we will see more deeply. We'll try to understand more deeply on the sequence system. So this is it. So these are the process. Right now we are trying to achieve play, pause, restart, rewind, and kill. So these are the 5 things. So this is it. So thanks for watching. If you think this video is very helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel. It will be very useful for us. So please hit subscribe button and choose to select a notification bell button so that you can get as soon as whenever the video is uploaded, you can know that new videos has been done. So make sure that you checked on the notification button. So thanks for watching, and check for a Unity3d teacher blogspot.com, so you can able to see the regular updates over here. If you like to get the code of these things, I will just upload over that after the tutorials over. You just get for a reference. So this is a link, unity3d teacher.blogspot.com. So thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.